Hi, good evening, everyone. So, in the morning London session, we have discussed this trade, and right now, in the upcoming New York session, I am looking for a sell in this, and I would love to grab a price somewhat at this level. Let me draw it, something like this, and something like this. Stop loss at this level, and definitely would be looking to go up to here with my first target placed at this level. So let's see how this unfolds in the upcoming session. The next pair is which I'm looking is pound New Zealand. This also I'm looking for a sell. In the morning I've covered this one, but it didn't show any sign of selling. So let's see how this develops, and I am looking for this price level with stop loss up to here and target up to this. So let's see how this unfolds in the upcoming session. My next pair is CAD CHF. This I am looking for a buy. We have some good news coming from the CHF session. So actually it is bad for CHF, but good for buying this one. So looking for a trade in this, and I would love to grab the price at this level. Definitely putting my stop loss below this, and my target will be somewhat this one. So let's see how all these three pairs unfolds. That's all for today New York session. Thank you.